Ask Doug, how does my deductible work on my international employer group medical insurance? Ask Doug. Questions and Answers about Employer Group Medical Insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your international employer group medical insurance best for you and your family. How does my deductible work on my employer group medical insurance, Doug? That is a great question, Sophia. International group medical insurance has an annual deductible, not a per-incident deductible. Sophia, some employer group plans have the annual deductible based on the calendar, January 1st through December 31st, and others based on the policy year, when the policy started during the year. Deductibles are also calculated according to the service date, not according to when the claim was filed. Find out more information on your international employer medical insurance options at gninsurance.com.